Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jayant Chaudhary. Can we have a big round of applause for his presence, please? Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here today. For India Skills. On behalf of the Ministry of Skill Deployment and Entrepreneurship Department, followed by Srimati Hena Usman. काजीरंगा से लेकर असम टी तक, कामाख्या टेम्पल से लेकर ब्रह्मपुत्र तक, the flavor of Assam has spread the world over. Make some noise, Guwahati University in Assam. Moving on to our next state, जैसे कि the abode of clouds, बादलों का घर, and the Scotland of the East. As our competitors wave their lucky hand here, I would request everyone to wave their hands back, encourage them from the India Skills competition that are about to unfold. Moving on to our next state, the majestic Manipur. The land of jewels, a unique blend of natural beauty, rich culture and sports. तरफ जो की है the scenic Sikkim. It's a Himalayan paradise, a harmonious mix of Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali communities all intertwined together, and it's India's first organic state. Give it up for Sikkim! Moving on to our state nestled in nature's lap, Nagaland. इसे त्योहारों का देश जाना जाता है, represented by the world famous Hornbill Festival. Also known as the land of the rising sun and the orchid state of India. And last but not the least, terrific Tripura. Famous for its handicrafts and tribal culture. Thank you so much, our audience, for that energy that was well required.
उत्तर पूर्वांचल।
उत्तर पूर्वांचल?
हाँ, अनेकों जाति, उपजाति, पहाड़ है, नागालैंड, मिजोरम, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा और सिक्किम। अब मैं एक एक करके इन सभी को तुमसे मिलाना चाहती हूँ।
ठीक है, चलो।
ये है असम,
ये है मेघालय। ये है नागालैंड।
ये है हमारा सिक्किम।
First time, first regional conference being held in the Northeast, and I think Northeast is definitely leading. It's a youthful region of the country. It's providing direction to the country, the land where the sun rises, and part of the rising Bharat. So I'm very, very excited to be here. I'm happy to see the kind of excitement that is very palpable in the young people who are competing. All our northeastern states are participating, and I'm hopeful that the India team is going to get good talent from here. They'll be competing now at the India scale competition level. After that, it is Shanghai World Skill Championship 2026.
Guwahati University is very honored and we are very privileged to have hosted this program here at our campus. And more than 160 plus competitors have taken part in this skill competition from various northeastern states. And I'm very proud to tell you that has been happening for the first time in our history. That such a competition, skill competition of this magnitude has ever taken place in Northeast India, and we are very happy that students and youths from various sectors, right from agroforestry, right from skill, hard skill, soft skill, various kinds of skill congregation is taking place, and a competition will be held. And after that, some students, some groups will be selected from here to the all India level, and from the all India level to the global level of skill competition. So I believe this will generate and this will popularize the necessity of skill among the students. This is what aspect that we are lagging behind. So I believe this will be a very cornerstone and a very important step in the days to come. Thank you.